Welcome again, and here. So this is the train drive. There is no such thing as a garage door prophecies, and you can guys already see now. Here's the sound of an opener, and here's the train going here. Oh my god! If you push it just ever again, watch this. Do you guys like this? Now let's try it. Pretty much the door cannot be that engaged, but I can see this still again. Here it is. Look at this. Isn't it installated? Here, close it, Dad. Then I'll see it close from the outside of the part here. So, here, my dad's here. Rafe driving home. Yeah. Yeah, right.